Jokanye sekta ma somo county ma Nandi onyiso ichwang' margi kaluwore gi kwan mamalo ma jopuonjre ma nyiri ma we sikul alwora ma Tinderet ne gilose nyasi ma chiwo sir mar omenda ne jopuonjre mopogore opogore kar chieng' od bura ma Tinderet. Gimedo wacho ni chenrono onego ne ni oduoko nyithindo ma nyiri e skunde.
JS school, TSC number is a confidential matter, but I want to cite an example of a TSC number. Appreciating the work that teachers do. Teachers, after completing maximum of 3 years in the same grade.
Issue of dropout is still an issue elsewhere, especially the culture. Areas like Chemelil, location, for example. We have other places around in this school. In a week or so, you can find a student being absent. Then you inquire from a village elder what's happening. The village elder inquires from the parent says mtoto alienda shule na kurudi nyumbani. So you end up doing a lot of external work as a principal who is supposed to be concentrating in school. When you go to the police stations, I remember I was there the other day in Berere, and you could find a lot of OB informations or records indicating students who have been reported to be missing and they are supposed to be in school.
A boy was killed by another one. Na ameuawa na kwa nini? Huyu mtoto amechukua pinti wa grade 8 wakaenda naye zake. Nduguye kumpata asubuhi ati natoka pale akagonga yule hapa kwenye kizogo akafa. That was a very sad thing. Lakini tumekuwa tukipata habari kwamba mtoto hajaonekana nyumbani. Mtoto amepotea. Na hao watoto wanakuwa wapi? Wazazi wapendwa, na waomba na kuwarai, let us not abdicate our responsibility as parents. Ni jukumu lako kujua mtoto wangu ameenda shule, ametoka shule, amelala ama hajalala.
We really want to make sure that every child who is of school going age is not found in the villages.